In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump to any slide instantly in PowerPoint while you're presenting. This is a powerful trick that can save you when someone asks a question about a later slide, or when you need to skip ahead without clicking through everything one by one. Whether you're presenting in a meeting, a classroom, or online, this quick navigation method will make you look more professional and confident. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll show you two different ways to instantly move to any slide. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. The first method is the fastest way to jump to a specific slide during your presentation. Start your slideshow as you normally would, either by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking on Slideshow and choosing from Beginning. Once your presentation is running, all you need to do is type the slide number of the slide you want to go to. For example, if you want to jump directly to slide 3, simply press the number 3 on your keyboard. You won't see the number appear on the screen, but PowerPoint is registering it in the background. After typing the number, press Enter. Instantly, PowerPoint will jump straight to that slide. This works for any slide number in your presentation. If you want to go to slide 10, type 1 and 0, then press Enter. If you want slide 25, type 2 and 5, then press Enter. It's that simple. This trick is extremely useful when someone says, "Can you go back to slide 8?" Instead of awkwardly clicking back multiple times, just type 8 and press Enter. You're there immediately. One important thing to remember is that this only works while you are in slideshow mode. If you're in normal editing view, typing numbers won't move you between slides like this. So always make sure the slideshow is actively running when you use the shortcut. Now let's look at the second method, which is perfect if you don't remember the exact slide number. While you are in slideshow mode, press the G key on your keyboard. As soon as you press G, PowerPoint will display a grid view showing all the slides in your presentation. This gives you a visual overview of every slide, making it much easier to find the one you want. From this grid view, simply click on the slide you want to jump to. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will take you directly to that slide in full presentation mode. This method is especially helpful for longer presentations where remembering slide numbers can be difficult. Instead of guessing numbers, you can quickly scan the thumbnails and select the correct slide. So to quickly recap, Method 1 is typing the slide number and pressing Enter while in slideshow mode. Method 2 is pressing G to see all slides, then clicking the one you want. Both methods are fast, professional, and incredibly useful during live presentations. Mastering these small shortcuts can make a big difference in how smoothly your presentations run. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.